Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to always check if Firefox is your default browse Windows 10. How to always check if Firefox is your default browse Windows 10. Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, go straight to Firefox browser on your computer or laptop. This is the Firefox browser display. Next, move the cursor to the top right of the screen. There are lots of menu options here. Next, tap the three-line icon here. And a scrolling menu will appear like this. And tap the Settings menu here. Now here you are in the Settings menu. Enter the General menu. Now here you are in the General menu. Tap to always check if Firefox is your default browse. This feature ensures that Firefox remains the main browser by notifying if there are changes, so that users can continue to use Firefox by default. So that's it, the tutorial how to always check if Firefox is your default browse Windows 10. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.